Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to add images on Spotify. So first, go to Google Drive and choose a pictures. Tap the file and upload. Or choose a picture what you want to add on your product. Then click save. Then back to your Shopify. At the home, click for products at the bottom. Then, if you add product, click here. Then, click add product. Now, you can upload media. Click here and click OK. You can import from Files app, like what you've done in Google Drive. Click Import Files and choose your email on your drive. Again, click My Drive. Then, select the picture of your product. Now, you can type your product name, description, and the price. And that's all. I hope this video will help you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.